Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take slow motion video on your phone Samsung Galaxy M51. First of all, open camera on your phone and click on more button. Click on slow motion and start recording your video. While recording, it will be like a normal video. I want to record this video. I stop the video and play the video that I took. Now see the action. Action is very slow. So in this way you can easily take slow motion video on our phone Samsung Galaxy M51. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.